There's a quiet fear many people never speak about, the fear of not fitting in. We see others finding their place, their passion, their people. And we whisper to ourselves, where do we belong? But we forget that a puzzle is incomplete until every piece finds its place. Today's story is for anyone who ever felt out of place. Listen carefully, because this story may help you see where you truly fit. In a small, peaceful village lived a boy named Aaron. He was thoughtful, honest, and gentle, but deep inside, he struggled with one painful belief. He felt like he didn't belong anywhere. When his friend Rafi excelled in sports, Aaron felt weak. When Alia joined the art club, he felt talentless. When others formed groups easily, he whispered, I don't fit anywhere. Every passing day made him feel more misplaced, like a guest who had overstayed his welcome in his own life. One afternoon, a wise old carpenter named Grandpa Nolan arrived in the village. He was known for solving big problems with simple ideas. Aaron, feeling a glimmer of hope, approached him and said, Grandpa, everyone seems to know where they fit. I feel like a wrong piece in the wrong puzzle. The old man smiled kindly and replied, Meet me tomorrow in my workshop. I want to show you something important. The next day, Aaron entered the dusty, sunlit workshop. Grandpa Nolan placed a large wooden puzzle on the table. One single piece lay on the side, shaped, oddly sized differently. He handed the piece to Aaron. Try to fit it. Aaron tried placing it in several spots, pushing and turning it, but it didn't fit anywhere. He sighed, his shoulders slumping. See, Grandpa, this piece is useless, just like me. Grandpa Nolan chuckled softly. Keep watching. With a gentle movement, the old man turned the entire puzzle upside down. Hidden beneath, there was a separate, unique section, a secret place Aaron hadn't even seen. When Aaron placed the odd piece there, it clicked into place perfectly. His eyes widened in shock. Grandpa Nolan smiled warmly and said, Just because you didn't fit where others were, doesn't mean you don't belong somewhere special. Some pieces have a different place, place no one else can fill in that moment. Aaron felt something heavy lift from his heart. Grandpa Nolan continued, his voice calm and steady. Life is a giant puzzle. Some people find their place early, others find it later. Some belong in the center, some at the edge, but every single piece matters. And the puzzle is incomplete without it. Aaron finally understood he wasn't wrong. He was just different, and being different had its own unique value. From that day on, he stopped saying, I don't belong. Instead, he started trying new things, helping in school events, volunteering at the local library, learning new skills, and talking to new people. And slowly, bit by bit, he discovered that he was an amazing organizer, someone who had a natural talent for bringing people together. Years later, Aaron became a beloved community leader, the very person who helped others find where they belonged. Whenever someone asked, How did you find your place? Aaron would smile and say, I realized I wasn't the wrong piece. I just hadn't found my right spot yet. Remember this story. Just because your place isn't visible to you yet doesn't mean it doesn't exist. The world needs you exactly as you are. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more.